Hello, everyone. Imagine you're trying to concentrate on your homework, but every few minutes, you find yourself reaching for your phone or checking your email. These distractions are often triggered by specific cues or digital triggers. Today, we'll explore what digital triggers are and how to identify them. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand what digital triggers are and how they affect your behavior. Identify your personal digital triggers. Implement strategies to manage and reduce the impact of these triggers. Let's begin by defining digital triggers and understanding their impact on our daily lives. Definition of digital triggers. Digital triggers are cues that prompt us to engage with our digital devices. These can be notifications, certain times of day, unconscious behaviors, or even specific emotions that drive us to check our phones, tablets, or computers. Example: the notification trap. Think about Sam, who constantly checks his phone whenever he hears a notification ping. This sound acts as a trigger, prompting him to engage with his device regardless of what he was doing. Impact on behavior. Digital triggers can significantly disrupt our focus and productivity. They can lead to compulsive behavior, where we feel the need to check our devices frequently, even if there's no urgent need. Story: the social media loop. Consider Jane, who finds herself scrolling through social media whenever she's bored or stressed. These emotional states act as triggers, leading her to seek distraction through her phone, which in turn affects her ability to complete her work on time. Identifying your personal digital triggers. Self-reflection and awareness. The first step in managing digital triggers is identifying them. Pay attention to when and why you reach for your devices. Are there specific times or emotions that prompt this behavior? Example: identifying triggers. Alex noticed that every morning, as soon as he wakes up, he checks his phone. This routine sets a precedent for the day, leading to multiple instances of phone checking. After identifying this as a trigger, Alex can begin to modify his behavior. Using tracking tools. There are apps and tools designed to help you track your screen time and identify patterns. These can provide insights into your digital habits and highlight triggers you might not be consciously aware of. Story: the data-driven approach. Mike used a screen time tracking app and discovered that he spent an excessive amount of time on his phone during work breaks. This insight helped him identify stress and boredom at work as triggers for his digital distraction. Assignment: become a trigger detective and identify the digital triggers in your life. Create a detective report with your findings, complete with suspect profiles for each trigger. For further reading, I recommend Indistractable by Nir Eyal, which offers strategies for controlling your attention and managing digital distractions. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.